What's up, everybody? Brian here with Attention to Details, the official Attention to Details, located in beautiful downtown Chesterton, Indiana. It has come time for this 2020 McLaren 720S Spider to leave. We've had the pleasure of wrapping this whole car, very challenging car, had a lot of fun with it, and then we're going to give you a quick walkthrough and show you exactly what we've done. First thing that we done to this was completely decontaminated. It had some previous film on it. We removed all of that film, and then literally a day of cleaning, polishing, and getting this car completely tight and set up straight, and then painstakingly, piece by piece, manipulating our software, which Kenny does, extending edges, deleting things so we can get a much cleaner fit. And when I say every edge is wrapped that we could possibly get our hands on, besides taking bumpers off, it has been done on this car. All vents off, all D badges, which we do not charge extra for here. And the doors were, some other pieces will go across here too, but the doors were by far the most difficult door to do. Let me open this up here. So what they have is in the software, this bottom piece would come up and it was supposed to be seamed here. Kenny done his magic with that stuff, and then the guys that laid it did a beautiful job, but this is all one piece, obviously stops here. All seams completely hidden as much as possible. So that is our work there. Right down into this piece here. I don't know if your camera picked that up, Kenny, but this piece in here, man, I can't even get my hand in here. But the guys, you know, they got in there, it's all laid, it's come out beautiful. And then back of the doors, now we do have some seam work here, but again, it's very hard to notice. And then we take it and we roll it, you know, all up underneath the seams here like this. And this was probably some of those areas there. And then in this chute here, this is all completely wrapped. We hid the seam behind here, so it's invisible to the eye. But even looking in here, I can't even find it. It's right here. So yeah, this is all completely wrapped, one piece, door handles, all of this stuff. Very hard to get at, but went through a little bit of film doing this job, but it's to be expected on this level of car. But pieces that weren't available for this car, or people just don't even think about wrapping, is like this little trim piece right here. So there's no cutout. So the guys went in and custom laid this and then hand trimmed everything out. So when I say every piece, guys, every single piece on this car is wrapped, edges where we could, the whole 9 yards. Another one that we had to do here is, can you get his camera down here, this rear diffuser here. This is all covered, and then we had to go in and make special pieces to do the outside and inside of these fins all the way across. This whole back piece in here, I mean, literally we can go over it, and what I like about it is it's really, even here looking at it in person, it's very hard to tell that this car's wrapped. If you got it down into it with your face down into it, you can slightly tell, but that's the level of expertise that we try to do here on every single job. And again, like I said, we do not charge for badges off, taking vents out, like on the hood, all vents were taken out, wrapped separately, then put back in. Our film is tucked up underneath it, so you can't even tell the film's on it. So that's what we try to do here. This is the Ultimate Expel Ultimate Plus Fusion. Fusion line is a built-in ceramic coating. 10-year warranty on the film, self-healing, phenomenal product, top shelf. So this car is leaving tomorrow, going up to Chicago by enclosed trailer to have a custom tune and a custom exhaust. Then it will be coming back to us, and then we're going to be doing the window tints. We do that here with the, all we carry is the XR, ceramic XR, and XR Plus. Top shelf ceramic coating, ceramic window film, sorry. The reason we didn't do it is I didn't have enough time for this car because he got a spot in earlier to go get the tune and stuff done. And believe it or not, guys, especially the window tenders out there, the window itself is easy. It's getting to the window because of the doors open up like gull wings, so it's very hard to, and then this car, every time you open the door or move it, that window moves up and down. So we've got a game plan, we know how we're going to do it, but we got to wait till it comes back, so we'll be shooting that as well and showing you. But guys, what an example, a beautiful car. This is what we do. We do not just work on these cars, but if the people trust us with these, we can take care of no matter what you drive. Let's get them protected, be it ceramic coatings, be it PPF, all entry levels price-wise that we can get protection on your car. We'd love to educate people. Things are done the right way here. We just don't do the surface of rims. Rims are off, polished inside out, ceramic coated, the whole barrel behind the spokes, the calipers, the proper way. So we're always doing things like that. We love to educate everyone that we can. Give us a call at 219-628-0288 for any information. We invite everyone to come down. If you're thinking about getting any services, even if you don't come here, you're wondering what is paint protection film, come down, we'll let you feel it, touch it, and like as you can see, we've always got multiple vehicles in different stages of being wrapped, or ceramic coated, or some kind of the things that we specialize in here. So come down, take a look at it, see our work, and you'll know what you're going to get. And again, this is a prime example. We have several more beautiful cars coming. We'll be filming again starting tomorrow because we got a really nice Porsche that we're getting fully wrapped. We got a really cool 2008 Lamborghini Murcielago with a full wrap. We're almost completed with the Raptor behind Kenny here. He's showing other photos, but we're going to show you because this is again another custom job. It's not just your full wrap. So we got Jose there burning the candle at both ends, getting the stuff. Cody in the front there doing a bunch of custom work, but we'll show this tomorrow in another video because it deserves to be what we did with this one here, to show you guys exactly what my team here does, the level of expertise, and it's an art. So we just want to show you what's going on here, guys. As usual, love and happiness, peace.